Hey everybody, thank you so much again for checking out our YouTube LEHOSTHAIR beauty channel. I am Haith Johnson of LEHOSTHAIR and WIGS, your beauty expert. I'm so excited that you joined me today. Today we're going to be doing, actually this is part 2. Today we're going to be doing Q&A. So if you have not seen the part 1, you really want to check out part 1. Part 1, we go into a little bit more detail about gluing, what glues to use, what glue not to use. And actually we do a tutorial on the process of actually gluing a wig down. So you really want to check out the link below to make sure that you see part 1. But in this particular video, what we're going to be doing, wait, before we do anything, did you subscribe yet? Did you push the subscribe button? Did you push the notification so that me and you can stay really close? Come on, you are officially knighted and titled the LEHOST Beauty Glam Queen. Yeah, queen. Yeah, I'm sure you're a queen. So anyway, listen, but you got to push the subscribe button. That's the only way your crown is going to arrive in the mail. It's like, I'm just playing. Okay, so anyway, this is part 2. And you want to make sure you check out part 1. So click the link below. Leave me a comment. So listen, we're going to be doing Q&As today. I got some amazing, great questions about gluing. So this is part 2. And if you have a question, leave me a comment below. And I know all those YouTube people that always say, I'm gonna answer you back. I really do answer people back. And if you want to email me something, email me a question, haith@lehosthair.com. Okay, so what's our first question? Our first question is, hi, Miss Haith Johnson, the beauty expert. You are so very pretty. I really like, no, it doesn't say all of that. But what it does say is, hi, I want to go on vacation. I was concerned about the wig that I'm wearing. I was told that it would be okay for me to glue my hair down and to use a specific rubber cement glue. Wait a minute. Did I just read this right? To use a rubber cement glue so that my wig would not come off when I go swimming. Okay. 911. Listen, don't you ever put rubber cement glue in your hair. That is so dangerous. You talk about anaphylactic shock. I mean, really, it can really cause a lot of damage. Rubber cement glue is meant for what it's meant for. It is not meant for human use. I promise you, if you use rubber cement glue on your head, it's going to be horrible, 1, for your edges. 2, there's absolutely no remover that has been invented that I know of to remove that from your hair. So it's really dangerous. It's really dangerous. Please do not use rubber cement glue. There are people that also use something that's called gorilla snot. It's just really a gel or a hair glue. So it's not that it's not bad, but what it does is hardens your edges. So I would say while you're on vacation, we have a glue that's called Lockdown. It's a wonderful glue. It gives you wonderful security. It does dissolve in water. But let me tell you about swimming with a wig on. So this is a client who came to me and she went on vacation. This was a $800 wig. However, she decided to go swimming in it. That's dangerous because it dries the hair out. Chlorine dries your hair out as well as salt water dries your hair out. So I would recommend, please do not go swimming with your wig on. If you want a vacation, get some braids, do a ponytail. Definitely do not want to swim in a wig. The other question is, how do I safely remove glue from my hair? So it depends on what type of glue you have. Somebody wanted to know, can I use alcohol? Sometimes you can use alcohol to remove hair glue from the wig, but it doesn't really get it all off. You can use it. Using it for your skin and for your scalp is really not the safest because it's going to dry your scalp out. So I would say be cautious about using alcohol. There is also something I'm going to actually show you a picture of it. That's really good when it comes to ultra hold, those really strong hair glue. that people use when you have alopecia and they have to have a glue, that glue is waterproof, but there's a actual solution. So I'll put it in the links below, and I'll also show you a photo of it. I just can't think of it right now. Also, how long can I wear glue, and can I sleep in my wig? Okay, so I am one who believes absolutely you should not sleep in your wig. Why? Because your scalp needs to breathe. If your scalp is healthy, your scalp will consistently grow new hair because it's healthy. If you suffocate or smother your scalp with caps and wigs and various things like that, your hair will begin to break off very soon. So I would say really, I wouldn't wear a wig no more than 12 to 15 hours throughout the day. You know, you can start in the morning if you have a, early morning, like 6 o'clock in the morning, and you don't get home till about 10 or 11. That's safe. Do not ever sleep in a wig. One, again, you're suffocating and you're smothering your scalp because it needs to breathe. So I hope that helped you. I wouldn't sleep in it. It's just, and sewing them down really isn't healthy for your edges or your hair, for the front of your head and for the back. One of the next question is, my hair is thinning. I've been using glue for a while. My hair is now thinning. Now, what should I do now? Okay, so if your hair is thinning, you haven't totally lost your hair, I would say stop, drop, and roll. Stop using the glue, drop the glue, and roll on the floor, and thank God that you have not lost all your hair. No, I'm serious, because I've seen a lot of people in this business. I've seen a lot of people go totally bald with not properly using the glue right. So if your hair is just thinning, just stop. Just completely stop. Find a licensed beautician to stop. You know what? This is what I'm going to suggest. Find a licensed beautician that specializes. Listen to what I'm saying. She specializes in hair care. She specializes in hair growth. She specializes in hair protective styles, because not all stylists are created equal. And so you're going to get some stylists, they're amazing stylists. They can cut. Some stylists are great colorists. And some stylists really know the science and art of growing hair. So I'm going to say, do your research and find someone who, in your local, area where you live, who actually does hair care special. So she specializes in it. So if your hair is not completely taken out, just stop using it. And the last question that I have is hair glue or gluing down your hair, is it hazardous to your health? Okay, so now let me tell you who I am. I am Haith Johnson, the hair expert. I am a licensed cosmetologist. I've been licensed for over 34 years. This is the thing. With a cosmetologist, we are external. That means we treat the hair outward, the outward side of your scalp. A dermatologist is inward, outward. So what that means is I'm going to leave that question honestly for the professionals, such as your doctor and a dermatologist. Why? Because sometimes they need to draw blood work to see how sensitive you are to certain products. Also, they can do skin tests to see if you are allergic to certain things. So that is my answer for, is glue hazardous for my health? Because it can be. And I think her name is Continence Vaughn from the Parkers. She proved to us that using the wrong glue the wrong way truly can be hazardous for your health. So I say proceed with caution, educate yourself, go through the LEHOSTHAIR Beauty channel and check out some of our old videos where we talk about, gluing. Like I said, there's a part 1 to this. Make sure you go check that out. And also, we developed a glue here. It's called Lockdown. It is absolutely hands down one of the safest that I believe that's on the market that will help you with your hair goals when it comes to gluing. Why? Because it's great for sensitive skin. It's amazing for your wig. So again, remember I showed you this. You don't have the wig buildup. But what I want you ladies to stop doing, and we're going to do another video, so stay tuned. We're going to talk about some extreme trends that people are out there doing that is really detrimental. I don't want you to be thinking, oh, it's never going to happen to me. Oh, my hair is never. Honey, hair is hair is hair. And I'm going to tell you this, the nappier your hair, the coarser, kinkier your hair is, you really have to proceed with caution, because it's not that you have bad hair, you just have fragile hair, and it's very soft and it's very delicate, okay? So I hope that these tips have helped you. If you have any questions, please, in the comment section, leave a question for me concerning, even if it's off topic, it's okay. You can leave me a question concerning anything, okay? Where your husband was the other, no, I'm just playing. That was so funny. Cause you know, people do random stuff. It's like we talking about this and they're like, girl, so I was wondering, like my little kid. Just anything here, leave it below. Again, I hope this has helped you. Please remember to subscribe, remember to like, and remember to leave me a comment. And I thank you guys so much. I really am grateful for every time you guys stick and stay with me. Hope this video helped you, and see you in the next video. I'm Hay Johnson.